Today we'll learn how to find 17/32 of an inch on a ruler or tape measure. Let's start by understanding how a ruler is divided. Here's 1 inch on a ruler. First, the inch is divided into halves, then quarters, then eighths, and finally 30 seconds. To find 17/32, let's break this down into steps. First, we know that 16/32 is equal to 1/2. So to find 17/32, we just need to go 1 mark past the half-inch line. Here's another way to think about it. 17/32 as a decimal is 0.53125 inches. This shows us that 17/32 is just slightly more than 1/2 inch, which is 0.5 inches. Let's look at two methods to find this measurement. Method 1. Start at 0 and count 17 marks. Method 2. Find the half-inch mark, which is 16/32, and count 1 more mark. The second method is usually faster since you're only counting 1 mark instead of 17. So remember, to find 17/32 of an inch, first